This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by establishing the baseline. You need 2-3 inches on top with shorter sides. Once done, wash and towel dry to damp so the scissors and clippers track correctly. Tell your barber you want a layered, slightly textured cut with natural side taper. This communicates the shape you need. Make sure to show the photo and point out the shorter temple area and longer crown. This alignment prevents rework and sets you up for the styling phase. You now create Chandler's distinctive shape by cutting the crown slightly longer while blending the sides with a 1 to 3 clipper progression. Once blended, use scissors over comb on top to preserve weight and form. This keeps the front length for the iconic sweep. Make sure to point cut and add minimal razor texturing. This reduces bulk without making hair wispy and gives natural movement. When you check the silhouette, adjust the fringe so it can sweep to the side effortlessly. You finish by blow-drying hair while lifting at the roots with your fingers to create a natural side sweep. Doing this builds volume where Chandler's style sits. Then work a pea-sized amount of matte paste or light pomade through from back to front, shaping the front to fall slightly off-center. Once done, make sure to tweak the fringe and sides with fingers. This keeps it casual, not rigid. If it goes flat, reapply a tiny product at roots. If too heavy, wash and restart with less product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.